I think we're getting close here, Mamacita.
This is crazy.
I know. We gotta do it though.
Can't believe you're gonna be doing this.
It's gonna be fun, and you're gonna love me a lot more when I get back.
That's not possible.
No? Okay.
Why are you giving me that look?
Because I'm going to miss your face, that's why.
You got everything?
Should be good.
Okay.
All right.
Be safe.
Love you.
Love you.
All right.
Oh my God.
So I've been walking for about an hour now, and I believe I finally arrived at the shoal that I'm looking for. Just wanted to take a break, tell you what's going on. My name is Zach Weiland, and I'm here on a 60-day survival challenge. I've got some limited tools, a canteen, a knife, and some camera equipment, and that's it. Got a couple goals for the day, and that is to find some clean, drinkable water. I need to build a shelter, and I've also got to make a fire. I'm running out of daylight, and I've got a lot to do, so I've got to get going, and I'll check back in with you later. This is starting to look a little bit better. So we're losing some sunlight. We've got some definite shade in here, and the creek bed basically disappeared. We're just going to follow this little animal trail and see where it goes. We're looking for something that's going to be flat, maybe 10 to 12 feet above the potential water line. This is looking a lot better. You can see that natural dam right there with some severe flooding. All right, I think we found what's going to be our base camp. You guys got to check this out here. All right, so to the left, that's the high ground that we're talking about. Down here, this could be a potential food source. Tadpoles, frogs, you know, who knows. Over here, you can see that we've got a lot of low-hanging fruit, wood, and materials to help build the shelter with. We've got a log over here to the right, so I'll go ahead and start cutting that in a minute. Everything over here looks great. We're going to start pulling logs out almost immediately. We've got 10 posts, so this is going to take a while. This is the base or the framework. As you can see, we have 2 posts on this side. Then we have our base, 3 posts here, another base, another 3 posts, and then 2 posts to knock her out there. We're kind of burning daylight, so I got to get going. We're going to stack wood, branches all over here, up each wall, and then we'll top it off with some brush. So we're at the end of the first day, and I am absolutely wiped out. But I think it's probably best if I go ahead, get some sleep, and get a nice early start tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's end of the first night. I wanted to bring you inside the shelter. You saw it from the outside. Over here, we have a wall. We have a roof. Very thankful for the roof. There's the stuff I brought. And yeah. So that's it. Good night, and we'll see you in the morning.